We asked the horse and the cow what they eating for. These are 2-ton animals. What they eating for protein? Grass. They eating grass. So I just think it's the perception and what's been pushed on us. We have to realize that we have been lied to.
Luckily, you haven't been lied to. The reason that cows can eat grass and actually turn it into muscle proteins is because of their digestive system. So let's talk about it. It's important to understand the path of food once it is ingested. Food is initially broken down in the stomach and is absorbed in the small intestine. And any food that isn't absorbed makes it to the large intestine and is excreted in the feces. The same thing occurs in humans. Food is broken down in the stomach and the small intestine, and it is absorbed in the small intestine as well. And undigested food makes it to the large intestine where it is then excreted in the feces. The pH of a cow's stomach is between 6 and 6.4, but the pH of a human stomach is between 1.5 and 2, meaning our stomach is very acidic. Because our stomach is so acidic, bacteria cannot live in our stomach. Conversely, because a cow has a much more alkaline stomach, bacteria can actually live inside of this cow's stomach. And why am I even talking about this? Because the bacteria that can live in a cow's stomach are able to produce amino acids from the grass that they eat. And humans are not able to do this. These amino acids are created in their stomach and absorbed in the small intestine. Conversely, humans have bacteria inside of their large intestine. And as I said, we can only absorb food in the small intestine. Therefore, even if our stomach bacteria could produce amino acids, we wouldn't be able to absorb them. And importantly, these amino acids are required for building body proteins, specifically muscle protein. So for humans, if the only thing we ate was grass, because we can't produce many of the amino acids that grass is not abundant in, we would not get the amino acids that we need to produce proteins. And this is why many plant-based proteins are considered to be inferior to animal proteins, because they are typically limited in one of the amino acids that we cannot create. But the cow is actually able to create these amino acids and absorb them, which is why there are virtually no limiting amino acids inside of beef. With that being said, I think there are two other important things that we should highlight. Cows eat about 26.5 pounds of food every single day, and they eat approximately 15 to 22,000 calories a day. They are also eating virtually all day. The other thing is that the acidity of our stomach is designed fantastically to break down proteins. So in essence, we haven't been lied to. The reasons why cows and other animals can get by just eating vegetables is because they have a digestive system designed to produce the amino acids that they require. Whereas in humans, we have 9 amino acids that we absolutely must get from our diet. These are considered essential amino acids, and they're found in the highest abundance and in the correct ratio inside of things like beef, poultry, fish, and eggs. And if you want to learn how to take control of your health and energy, send me a DM to sign up for coaching.